No, this power grid can be shut down anywhere. It has happened a developed country like America. It had happened, you see, twice, thrice, and power failure was there for 4 continuous days in 2003 and 2008. 4 days continuously. As compared to that, I don't see, you see, that we are better, because even Americans had called our power grid chairman to assist them when the power grid failed there. So, but we were taking all this precaution, and that is the reason we are joining all the, you see, sectors, 5 sectors we have. Today, the southern sector is not connected with the grid. That will be connected by 2014, and then power can be shifted from one region to another region. Now, is this power, this grid was collapsed, so we had to get power from the western grid and eastern grid and restore the position. Yes. As the situation today is now, there is normalcy is there.
No, but sir, the comparison to America is all very well. Perhaps you're using the superpower comparison issue, but unlike America, power cuts of up to 8 hours and more are common around India, both in urban and rural India. I mean, that's a reality. So, in that sense, surely there is a crisis in the power sector in India.
Yes, yes. I understand your anxiety of asking this. You just go to 6 years back and just see the figures of 2006. This country was having capacity addition of only 1,20,000, and as on today, it is 2,03,000 megawatt is capacity addition. In last 5-year, 11 5-year plan, we have given this country 55,000 megawatt, and not only that, but in one single year, the terminal year of 11th plan, we have given 20,500 megawatt. This was never happened in this country, because we had to take precautions right from 2006. We had made all the preparations. We made the preparation for linkage. We made the preparation for equipment companies to come to India in joint sector. About 7 companies have come, and today everything is right. That is the reason we could project in 12th plan 88,000 megawatt. Otherwise, we were just struggling with 10,000, 15,000, maximum 20,000.